Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque 2.0 eD4 SE Tech, a stylish and capable SUV designed for luxury and efficiency. Finished in Firenze Red with a black leather interior, it delivers both premium comfort and dynamic road presence. At the side, the contrast black roof and mirror caps enhance its stylish appeal, while electric folding mirrors add convenience and practicality. At the rear, the LED taillights, front and rear parking sensors, and a sporty stance ensure a refined yet practical finish. Powered by a 2.0-liter eD4 diesel engine, this Evoque delivers an efficient and responsive drive. Cruise control enhances comfort, making long journeys effortless. At the front, the signature Range Rover grille, sleek LED headlights, and 18-inch alloy wheels give the Evoque a bold and modern look. Stepping inside, enjoy 8-way electric front seats, heated front seats, and a heated windscreen for added comfort. The infotainment system features Bluetooth, DAB radio, and keyless start, ensuring a connected driving experience. The spacious rear seats offer premium materials and comfort, making every journey relaxing for passengers. A generous cargo area makes this Evoque practical for daily commutes, shopping, or weekend. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration, PGZ6811, to book a test drive or request a video tour.